Hello everybody, this is a short tutorial about how to adding objects from MagicaVoxel to your teardown level and how to separate objects in one MagicaVoxel file so you can grab a single object out of the MagicaVoxel file although it contains more than one object. I show you what that means. I created a box.vox file. This is this file in MagicaVoxel, and I created two boxes. So how did I do it? I can delete them to show you. I do it from scratch. I'm making a new object and I make it size 5. Go to the wood here and making just a nice touching nice box. It's filled, that's okay, and I'm saving it. Then I go to the outline on the right side and I give it a name. I name it box1. Why do I name it box1? Usually you don't do that. I show you in a second why I named this box1. Now I can go up, copy this one, Control C, Control V, paste it and pull it out on the little arrow here, and then go into it, and first I rename it to box2. And the second thing I do is I take the replace voxel color tool and I make it a dark box. So here I can switch to world view, which means all objects are shown, or back to the model view where I can edit the model, where I can edit the model. So in the world view I have two of these boxes right now called box1 and box2. The file is called box.vox and it lays in the level folder. So to include this I write vox file level. Level means I'm here in the custom XML for the custom level. Level is just the name of the folder. The folder is named level 2, like the level 2. It's named custom, like the custom XML, and the whole level is named custom. So level is a shortcut. It's a placeholder for the actual for custom. I can write custom here too. That's no problem. Box.vox, and I give it a position. I give it a position of 1, 0, 0, and absolutely I show you. Actually, I show you this won't be enough, because if I start now, I will see nothing at all. There is nothing here because I forgot to add the prop equals true. A vox element can only be standalone if it has the prop true tag attribute, because this means the object is draggable, it's throwable. It should be right here. I did something wrong. It's not possible to do that. Okay, maybe it's not possible to just write custom. Yeah, it's not possible. Why on earth is it not possible to do it? Okay, yeah, okay, then it's like that. Okay, so you see I have the two objects I created here nicely lined up. If I touch one of them, I touch both, because they are grouped in MagicaVoxel. I included the whole file, they are in one file, so they are grouped. If I hit one with the hammer, they will be separated again, but they are grouped in one file. That's not what we want. What I want to show you is how to separate them, although they are one in this file. I don't want to cut this out, make a new voxel file. I just want to keep my vox file and have two separate boxes. For this I go in here, I put another one of them here, and just to show you what it does, in case you don't know, I just added another bunch of those boxes, right? This is a box.vox file, this is a box.vox file. I kicked one of those boxes, so they are all separated. Okay, so far so good, but what I want is, I want only the light boxes. So what I do is I say object, the light brown boxes. I say object box1 here, and I say object box1 here, because I named them box1 here. Let's say I call this Mary, I have to save it. Mary. No, not the color. So then I can write Mary here. It's absolutely the same word that I should use. So if I write Mary there, you see only the light boxes are here. The other box is named box 2, so if I want to have only the box 2, I can write box 2 here. Load again, show you. Both are here, they are not connected in any way. They are not connected here because they are imported as single objects from one big MagicaVoxel file that contains both of them. So, the last thing I want to show you is I made a nice texture for the ground. You can see that here, and those boxes look very artificial right now, not like objects in Teardown, which look quite nice. To achieve this, you have a texture tag, and you can add the texture tag to any vox you like. And I choose the texture 6 one if you're interested what these numbers mean. Different numbers are for different textures, and as you can see now, they are not plain light brown and dark brown. They have a little texture on them, and makes them much more prettier. And it's a nice feeling to have it like that. So if you're interested in what the different textures are, you can always go to the developers documentation site and have a look at that, or you ask in Discord channel and we can tell you. Last thing, you can see flickering on top is a little gizmo I've written in as a little modification to the program, which shows me where I am looking, and this is absolutely necessary if you like to place these boxes somewhere special in the map. Right? If I have a huge map and I want to place them like next to a door or something, then I look here and I say, oh, it's 2.80161, and then I say 2.86001. It was like that. No, it was 061. No problem. That's 061, and then I can restart the level and I will find that box right there where I left it at that place. So that's a nice little gizmo. You can have that in Discord too. It's a modification, very common modification, very early modification we made. Thank you. That's all I want to show you. You can use this knowledge to build one MagicaVoxel file with tables, with chairs, trees, cars, whatever you want, apples, bananas, and then put them separately into the map and copy them if you like, right? You don't have to use them one by one. It's not that they vanish once they're used or something like that, that you pull them out of the MagicaVoxel file, nothing like that. It's just, you just clone them. You can insert them as much as you like, and you can insert as many as you like from them. Okay? Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I hope you learned something.